What's the meaning of clansman? Clansman. Clansman.
Clansman. Clansman. Clansman refers to a member of a clan, which is a group of people who share a common ancestry, history, and culture. The concept of clans originated in Scotland and spread to other parts of the world where Scottish immigrants settled. Being a clansman involves a strong sense of loyalty and belonging to one's clan, as well as a commitment to its traditions and values. Today, clans still exist in some parts of the world, and being a clansman remains an important aspect of many people's cultural identity and heritage.